Throughout the modern digital landscape, mainstream political memes from organizations like Turning Point USA have begun casually referencing something called the Kalergi Plan. These posts describe a deliberate plot to replace white Europeans with other races through mass immigration. This narrative includes a specific antisemitic layer, claiming the population is being engineered to be easily ruled by a Jewish elite. In reality, this plan absolutely does not exist. It is a 100% fabricated modern hoax. The scale and function of this deception mirror historical fabrications like the Protocols of the Elders of Zion, a fiction designed to manufacture fear. If the plan is entirely fake, we have to ask how a real historical figure was successfully framed as the mastermind of a fictional genocide. To find the truth, we have to travel back to the 1920s and meet the real Richard von Coudenhove-Kalergi, an Austrian-Japanese politician. His genuine political project was the founding of the Pan-European Union, an effort to foster peace in a continent devastated by war. In 1925, he published Praktischer Idealism, the specific text modern conspiracy theorists now weaponize. Kalergi predicted humanity would naturally mix in the future as a result of shrinking distances, what he called the vanishing of space, time, and prejudice. He used the language of his era to describe a Eurasian-Negroid race of the future, envisioning a natural evolution rather than a political mandate. Kalergi offered a passive, descriptive prediction about human evolution, which is a far cry from a prescriptive political plot. The transition from historical reality to the modern forgery began decades after Kalergi's death, reaching a turning point in 2005. That year, Austrian neo-Nazi writer Gerd Honsik introduced the modern version of the conspiracy. Honsik twisted Kalergi's passive forecast into an active, prescriptive plan. He slashed out the original context and altered translations to suggest a top-down agenda, then appended the entirely fabricated claim about Jewish elites ruling Europe, an addition nowhere in the original book. This deliberately altered text was packaged into a digestible format, specifically designed for white nationalist networks to spread online. Gerd Honsik's forgery weaponized the original text, laundering neo-Nazi ideology into the political mainstream under the guise of a historical discovery. This forgery now serves as the European engine driving global white genocide and Great Replacement myths. Far-right political parties use this specific conspiracy to provide a veneer of historical legitimacy to their fear-mongering campaigns against EU immigration. This manufactured rhetoric stands in sharp contrast to the actual migrant and refugee crises happening across the globe. Digital platforms often strip away the neo-Nazi origins of the hoax, allowing organizations to share viral, sanitized versions of the theory as if they were simple historical quotes. Today, the Kalergi Plan remains a potent and active weapon of disinformation. Hate groups actively invent history to manipulate our present. We must forensically verify the original source when confronted with viral historical claims.